Revolutionize your driving experience with the OTTOCAST PICASOU 2 Pro CarPlay AI Box, an innovative vehicle CarPlay adapter available on AliExpress. Designed as a high-end solution for Kia and Hyundai vehicles, the OTTOCAST PICASOU 2 Pro comes pre-installed with a range of mainstream multimedia applications, including YouTube, Wave, Maps, Spotify, and more. With these apps at your fingertips, you can seamlessly access your favorite content while on the road. Whether you want to watch videos, listen to audio, or navigate with ease, the PICASOU 2 Pro has you covered. Take customization to the next level with support for Google Play on the OTTOCAST PICASOU 2 Pro. This allows you to download additional applications that cater to your specific interests and preferences. Whether you need productivity tools, gaming apps, or utilities, you can expand the functionality of your CarPlay AI box to suit your needs. The OTTOCAST PICASOU 2 Pro is designed for easy integration into your Kia or Hyundai vehicle. With its intuitive interface and straightforward setup process, you can start enjoying its features in no time. The box seamlessly integrates with your car's existing systems, providing a hassle-free upgrade to your in-car entertainment setup. With the OTTOCAST PICASOU 2 Pro CarPlay AI Box, you can transform your Kia or Hyundai vehicle into a multimedia powerhouse. Whether you're streaming videos, listening to music, or navigating with ease, this high-end adapter offers unparalleled convenience and functionality. Upgrade your driving experience today and enjoy a new level of entertainment on the road.